Our next question again reflects some themes that keep cropping up, and this one's around masks. So this question is whether the panel can clarify their thinking about the wearing of masks and how they contribute to the reduction in the spread of risk. And in fact, is this something that you would advocate in school? There's also the second part of the question, which if the use of masks is to be encouraged or indeed be statutory, why did we not do this earlier? That might stray into politics, but if I can put that question to the panel.
So I'll start. So masks basically essentially protect other people, and that's the slightly tricky moral paradox here, is that for the people wearing them, it's not a particular advantage. So the issue about wearing them in shops is to protect the shop workers rather than to protect other people. It's a simple intervention, and there's quite a lot of debate about the advantages, the evidence, whether they are effective or not. And there's randomized controlled trials when it comes to influenza outbreaks about using them. There's lots of experimental evidence about it, but it's a simple, low-cost intervention, which is a common sense approach. My big issue with this is that we're about 4 months too late in instigating it. So we are now in a place where viral levels are declining quite rapidly, and we should have been doing this 4 months ago.
Great, thank you, John. Any other panel members got anything to say on that topic?
I'd like to know from teachers, to be honest, how practical is that for teaching? Because I can wear one in an office environment. I don't have to speak to my colleagues that often, and I might not want to. But in a teaching environment, how much will that disrupt? Because I think that's part of weighing up the risks of this. Because it might be that we have a situation where if you're in a well-ventilated classroom, you can really minimise that risk anyway. There's no need to wear a mask. But then it might be something that we introduce in terms of, if you've got parts of the school day where you might feel that masks are compulsory, that might be an option there. So I'd be really interested in feedback from teachers on that one as well.